Florida has more sinkholes than anywhere else in the United States. The state alone receives an average of 17 insurance claims per day and even occasional human loss. A total of 6 deaths from sinkholes have been recorded in Florida, including one of the most dramatic in 2013. When a sleeping man was swallowed by a sinkhole, his body was never recovered. Sinkholes in Florida occur due to the dissolution of carbonate bedrock, resulting in the deformation and collapse. Sinkholes are also formed due to the human activities such as excessive groundwater pumping. The distribution of sinkhole is not random. As can be seen in the satellite image, sinkholes tend to form in a cluster. The terrains characterized by high density of depressions with the size ranging from a few to hundreds of meters contrast with the area with no identifiable depressions. So what controls the occurrence and morphology of sinkhole? Can we predict their occurrence? What if we could predict the distribution of sinkholes? Despite the earlier efforts, many questions still remains unanswered, and there is a clear need to better understand how size and distribution of surface depression can help us predict sinkhole occurrence. This research seeks to identify potential geological controls for the distribution of sinkholes and investigates how the shape of depressions may provide information about the depth of these collapse. The research begins with the remote sensing technique to locate and measure the diameter of sinkholes. This will be followed by a fieldwork, using an array of geophysical methods to confirm bedrock controls on the surface expression, giving the depth of the collapse feature. In addition, pre-existing drill cores will be incorporated as a ground truth data. Together with all the information, a predictive model will be created to relate depth with the diameter of sinkhole. Building the relationship between the visible surface and mysterious subsurface will enable future land use planners to avoid unnecessary risk. So in contrast with ever-growing population in Florida, we can hope for fewer headlines with shrunken properties and casualties. Thank you.